Hey everybody, I'm so glad to see you all again. Well, it's time for our practical lesson. You know, in my last video, in the classroom version, we were talking about prepositions, words that tell you where objects are. Under, on, next to, behind, and in between. And now it's time for hold on. Someone's calling me. Give me a second. They always call when I'm making a video. Yeah, hey babe, what do you need? Sorry guys, it's my son. He always calls me when I'm uploading something. Yeah, babe, what can I do for you? You forgot some things in your room. Okay, all right, well tell me where they are and I'll get them for you. You need your ball. And where is it? Oh, it's under the chair? Okay, yep, I see it. It's under the chair. The ball's under the chair. I got it. And you need your teddy bear. Oh, that's cute. where is your teddy bear? Oh, it's next to the bed? It's beside the bed? Okay, I got it. Some fish? What do you have fish in your room for? Yeah, I see it on the table. No problem. And guess who's behind the bed? Yeah, your cat. He's been staring at that fish the whole entire time. You need a green box? Okay. Then where's the green box? It's under the desk. Okay, yeah, I got it. I'm going to need to put all this stuff in my car. Books? There's some books in the desk. Okay, yep, I see the books in the desk. All right, no problem. And a red truck. What do you need a red truck for? Okay, whatever. A red truck. Where's that? It's between your socks. Your socks that are on the floor? Boy, I have told you not to leave your socks on the floor. Fine, I've got the red truck that's between the socks. I've got the ball that was under the chair, the green box that was under the desk, and the books that were in the desk. I got the fish that was on the table and your teddy bear that was beside the bed. Was there anything else you needed? No? You're good? All right. See you soon. Okay, guys, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Merry Christmas to those of you who celebrate. I'll be back tomorrow, as always, with a new lesson. Take care, and anytime you want to talk to American, message me. I'm always here. Bye!